Dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. Nice to see you here. Thanks for supporting us. Your response regarding my channel is so phenomenal. Please do subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos like this. It's a special announcement for my viewers. We will upload content on daily basis, so do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Our today's video is about how to use your scrap metal and how to implement some wonderful welding techniques on the scrap metal. So let's get started and here we go. Here are some benefits of welding project using scrap material. Have several benefits including cost saving. Welding project using scrap material can be a cost-effective way to complete a project. Scrap metal are often less expensive than new material and use them, and it can help to reduce overall project cost. Welding project using scrap metal can be environmental friendly, sustainable because they reduce the amount of waste and end up in the landfill. By repurposing scrap metal, you can reduce your environmental impact and promote the sustainability. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to exercise creativity and the innovation. By using material that are not typically used in welding project, you can create a unique and interesting design. Welding project using scrap metal can be an opportunity to develop your welding skills, working with a variety of materials and shapes, and can be challenging our welding abilities and help up with your development skills. Welding project using scrap can be opportunities to create a customer project that fit your specific needs. By using scrap metal, you can create one-of-kind project that are tailored to your requirements. Overall, welding project using scrap metal can be effective and cost-effective, environmentally effective, sustainable, and it will reduce your carbon footprints, and it will also help you to utilize your scrap in a better way. That is to start scrap metal art welding project for you as a beginner. Scrap metal art welding is a fascinating way to create unique and eye-catching artworks. It is a perfect hobby for those who's creating things with their hand and want to explore the world of welding. While it may seem daunting to start with the right tools, materials, and the guidance, even beginner can create a stunning piece of scrap metal art. In this video, we will discuss how to get started with scrap metal art welding project as a beginner. First up is starting scrap metal art welding project is to gather all the necessary materials and the tool. Here are the essential items you will need. The first one is welder. There are various types of welder available in the market, but for scrap metal or welding, a MIG welder is recommended.